Today's topic is CSIR NET question. Here, a screen has two slits. These are the slits. Two slits, each of width W, with their centers at a distance 2W apart. These are the two slits here, and each of width W with their centers at a distance 2W apart. It is illuminated by a monochromatic plane wave traveling along the x-axis. So the intensity of the interference pattern measured on a distant screen, this is the screen. This is the screen. At an angle, this is the angle theta. Here, this is the angle theta. Theta equals to n lambda by W. To the x-axis is what? Here, this is the case of single side diffraction envelope. This is the case of single side diffraction envelope. So each slit has width W, then the interference pattern are modulated by a single slit envelope with the minima. Here, each slit has width. So here, each slit has width of W, then the interference are modulated by a single slit with minima of sin theta minimum is equals to n lambda by W. N lambda by W is given in the question. So the minima is at sin theta minimum is equals to n lambda by W, where n not equals to 0 and n equals to plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Sin theta is nearly equals to theta is equals to n lambda by W. So here answer option A is correct. Here theta minimum is nearly equals to n lambda by W. So here answer option A is the correct answer. For any query regarding this question, you can comment in the comment box and WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 This is our WhatsApp number. You can comment in the comment box or WhatsApp us in this number for any query. So that's all for today.